Our big story, major weather sweeping across the state this morning. Want to show you some video sent in to us by CC up in Flagstaff. You can see that wind there and snow whipping up with the American flag there, waving in this winter storm. They're getting ready for a foot of fresh powder up there as well.
I feel like that's moving sideways up there. Wow. We do have team coverage for you this morning. Team 12's Jen Wall is out live showing us how it's looking in the West Valley this morning. Of course, we'll check in with her in just a few minutes. But first, we want to travel up north.
Team 12's Chase Golightly has been keeping an eye on the conditions in Flagstaff since yesterday afternoon. Chase, good morning to you. You look all bundled up and ready to go. Tell us about what you're seeing out there and talk us through the conditions right now.
Of course, good morning to you guys. Yeah, you mentioned that it feels like the snow's moving sideways. That's exactly what we're seeing right here. I can't tell if there's fresh snow falling right now or if it's really just those strong wind gusts pushing it out of the way. Now, we are right next to the NAU campus, and you can see with these cars right here that have been parked overnight, not a lot of snow accumulation, maybe just a couple of inches. But really, it's that wind is the main talking point that we're discussing here today. ADOT was warning all about this and the dangerous conditions that can come along with it. As you can just really see, that snow is just moving sideways. Pretty uncomfortable to be out here just with all that snow just hitting your face, and just seems to be relentless at this point. As far as road conditions right here, this isn't a main road. This again is on the NAU campus. We have seen some plows going. You can imagine what kind of conditions are going to be leading for drivers here today that have to deal with this. If you're in a larger car, you're going to have probably better luck on these roads, but you're really going to want to take your time if you have to go. But again, ADOT is just really telling folks, hey, stay inside. Don't get on the roads, especially with these potential whiteout conditions that we're seeing with this wind. And you can actually probably hear it right now, those large gusts coming in. Very dangerous driving conditions today. And this has also led to about 3,000 APS customers without power. We're keeping an eye on that and let you know of other closures going on. But for now, we'll send it back to you. We're live in Flagstaff. Chase Golightly.
Chase, it looks miserable. We appreciate you being out there for us, showing us the conditions. We'll check back in with you in a little bit.